बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। Hey kids, I'm back with a new story from your book Hide and Seek. Name of the story is The Picture Window. Let's start reading. THE, the PICTURE, picture, WINDOW, window, the picture window, तस्वीर वाली खिड़की. IT8, IS is SUNDAY, day, Sunday, it is Sunday, इतवार का दिन है. AISHE, आयशा, IS is ILL, ill, AND and IN BED, bed, आयशा is ill and in bed, आयशा बीमार है और बिस्तर में है. SHE, she, IS is NOT, not, HABBY, happy, she is not happy, वो खुश नहीं है. AISHES, Aisha's, FRIENDS, friends, ARER, INN THE, PARK, park, Aisha's friends are in the park, आयशा के दोस्त पार्क में है. THEY, they, ARER, HAVING, having, FUN, fun, they are having fun, वो मज़े कर रहे हैं. THEY, they, ARER, HABBY, happy, they are happy, वो खुश है. AISHA, आयशा, PUTS, puts, HER, her, HEAD, head, ON, HER, her, PILLOW, pillow, आयशा puts her head on her pillow, आयशा ने अपना सर अपने तकिए पर रखा. SHE, CRIES, cries, और वो रोई. AISHAS, Aisha's, MUM, mum, COMES, comes, IN, Aisha's mum comes in, आयशा की अम्मी अंदर आई. SHE, she, SITS, sits, ON, AISHAS, Aisha's, BED, bed, और वो आयशा के बेड पर बैठ गई. AISHAS, Aisha's, MUM, mum, SAYS, says, DONT, don't, BEB, SAD, sad, Aisha's mum says, don't be sad, आयशा की अम्मी ने कहा उदास मत हो बेटा. YOU, you, WILL, will, SOON, soon, BEB, WELL, well, you will soon be well, तुम जल्द ही ठीक हो जाओगी. WANT, want, TO2, PLAY, play, MUM, mum, SAYS, says, AISHA, Aisha, I want to play, mum, says Aisha, आयशा ने कहा अम्मी मैं खेलना चाहती हूँ. YOU, you, CAN, PLAY, play, WHEN, when, YOU, you, ARER, BETTER, better, SAYS, says, MUM, mum, you can play when you are better, says mum, अम्मी ने कहा तुम खेल सकती हो जब तुम ठीक हो जाओ. WHAT, what, CAN, IDO, do, MUM, mum, ASKS, asks, AISHA, Aisha, what can I do, mum, asks Aisha, आयशा ने पूछा अम्मी मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. YOU, you, HAVE, have, THREE, 3, WINDOWS, windows, SAYS, says, MUM, mum, you have 3 windows, says mum, अम्मी ने कहा तुम्हारे पास 3 खिड़कियाँ हैं. EACH, eat, TELLS, tells, a STORY, story, LOOK, look, each tells a story, look, देखो हर एक खिड़की एक कहानी बताती है. AISHE, Aisha, LOOKS, looks, OUT, out, OF, off, THE, the, SQUARE, square, WINDOW, window, आयशा looks out of the square window, आयशा ने चौकोर खिड़की से बाहर देखा. SHE, she, CAN, SEEC, HER, her, GARDEN, garden, she can see her garden, वो अपना बाग देख सकती है. SHE, she, SWS, sees, a BIRD, bird, she sees a bird, उसने एक परिंदा देखा. THE, the, BIRD, bird, HAS, has, a WORM, worm, the bird has a worm, परिंदे के पास एक कीड़ा है. IT, it, HOPS, hops, ONTO, onto, a BRANCH, branch, it hops onto a branch, वो एक शाख पर उछल रहा है. NOW, now, AISHE, Aisha, CAN, SEEC, a NEST, nest, WITH, with, TWO, two, BABY, baby, BIRDS, birds. Now Aisha can see a nest with 2 baby birds. अब आयशा एक घोंसला देख सकती है जिसमें 2 छोटे परिंदे हैं. IVE, I have, Never, never. SWN, seen. THED, that. NEST, nest. BEFORE, before. SAYS, says. AISHA, Aisha. I've never seen that nest before, says Aisha. आयशा ने कहा मैंने ये घोंसला इससे पहले कभी नहीं देखा. ILL, I'll. WATCH, watch. THE, the. BABIES, babies. GROW, grow. I'll watch the babies grow. मैं babies को बड़ा होते हुए देखूंगी. AISHA, Aisha. LOOKS, looks. OUT, out. OF, off. THE, the. LONG, long. WINDOW, window. Aisha looks out of the long window. Aisha ने लंबी खिड़की से बाहर देखा. SHE, she. CAN, can. SEEC, THE, the. BACK, back. OF, off. SHOP, shop. VAN, van. AND, and. TWO, to. MEN, men. SITTING, sitting. on. BOX, box. She can see the back of a shop. वो एक दुकान की पिछली तरफ देख सकती है. A van, एक गाड़ी. And two men sitting on a box. और दो आदमी जो एक संदूक पर बैठे हैं. WHETS, what's INN? THE, the. BOX, box. What's in the box? ASKS, asks. AISHA, Aisha. आयशा ने पूछा उस संदूक के अंदर क्या है. ARER, THE, the. MEN, men. REST, ING, resting. Are the men resting? क्या वो आदमी आराम कर रहे हैं. ARER, THEY, they. GOING, going. TO2. LIFT, lift. THE, the. BOX, box. Are they going to lift the box? क्या वो संदूक को उठाने वाले हैं. IS, IT, it. HEAVY, heavy. Is it heavy? क्या वो भारी है. AISHA, Aisha. THINKS, thinks. ABOUT, about. THE, the. MEN, men. AND, THE, the. BOX, box. Aisha thinks about the men and the box. Aisha ने आदमियों और संदूक के बारे में सोचा. AISHA, Aisha. LOOKS, looks. OUT, out. OF, off. THE, the. ROUND, round. WINDOW, window. Aisha looks out of the round window. Aisha ने गोल खिड़की से बाहर देखा. SHE, she. CAN, can. SEEC, THE, the. ROAD, road. She can see the road. वो सड़क को देख सकती है. CARS, cars. BUSES, buses. AND, TRUCKS, trucks. GO, BY, by. Cars, buses and trucks go by. कारें, बसें और ट्रक वहाँ से गुजर रही हैं. MRS, Mrs. KHAN, Khan. ISS, CROSSING, crossing. THE, the. ROAD, road. Mrs. Khan is crossing the road. Mrs. Khan सड़क पार कर रही हैं. SHE, she. IS, OLD, old. She is old. वो बूढ़ी है. WHERE, where. IS, SHE, she. GOING, going. ASKS, asks. AISHA, Aisha. Where is she going? Asks Aisha. Aisha ने पूछा वो कहाँ जा रही है. WHAD, word. HAS, has. SHE, she. GOD, goat. INN, THAT, that. BIG, big. BAG, bag. What has she got in that big bag? उनके उस बड़े से थैले में क्या है. AISHA, Aisha. THINKS, things. ABOUT, about. MRS, Mrs. KHAN, Khan. AND, HER, her. BAG, bag. Aisha thinks about Mrs. Khan and her bag. Aisha ने Mrs. Khan और उनके थैले के बारे में सोचा. AISHA, Aisha. SMIL, smiles. AT, at. MUM, mum. AND, SAYS, says. Aisha smiled at mum and says. Aisha अम्मी की तरफ देखकर मुस्कुराई और बोली. EACH, each. WINDOW, window. TELLS, tells. STORY, story. MUM, mum. Each window tells a story, mum. अम्मी हर खिड़की एक कहानी बताती है. सुब्हानकल्लाहुम्मा व बिहम्दिक नशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्ला अंत नस्तगफिरुका व नतूबु इलैक. Hey kids, if you really love to listen stories from your books, please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you. Till then, tata bye.